morning, guys. So I'm back from Melbourne and today is the first day that I'm starting work again, but then I'll be traveling again, so stay tuned for that. So today I am heading over to my client's home to do a maintenance detail on a Porsche Boxster. Yes, a red Porsche Boxster. So I'm heading over right now, and I'll show you guys the place when I arrive. Then I will cue you into the cinematic sequence of the car wash and maintenance and everything. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I'm arriving.
Your destination is on the right.
You can see my client's Porsche parked out already. I'm going to show you guys the car. So guys, I'm done with the maintenance detail and I already arrived home. So I spent around 2 hours on the maintenance detail, cleaning the car, removing the watermark stains, tar spots, and basically decontaminating the car, and then finishing it up with a layer of wax. And I guess that would be all for the maintenance detail today. So I've got some other errands to run and I'm preparing for another episode on the Sylvia update. So stay tuned guys, and I will update you guys on the Sylvia build. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.